Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Vivo Neo 7. So first, go to the settings and into the battery that is right here. Then switch mode to battery saver. You can even enable the super battery saver that will restrict the functionality of your phone and lower its performance. Only few apps will be available in this mode, but the battery will last a much longer. Then next thing is open the quick settings by swiping from the top of your phone. And here you have the brightness. Just lower it to the minimum, but so you can still see something on the phone. But you can always enable the adaptive brightness. That is too bright for the camera right now. But this would even more help with the battery drain. Then go into the quick settings once again by swiping from the top of the screen and disable all the functions of your phone that you're not currently using. So if you're not using the data, then disable it, but if you're only using data, not Wi-Fi, then disable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location, of course flashlight, personal hotspot, and Vivo share. I think that's it. You can even enable the airplane mode if you're not using your phone at the moment at all. But remember that only a few notifications will be presented to you because you will have no internet access. Then going back to the battery, here we can see, of course, the currently battery level. You can click on Deep App Optimization. That would optimize your power consumption. Also, you will see the apps that increase your temperature or lag your phone. And after the optimization, the phone should not drain battery that fast, and the app launch will be much faster. But to not make you wait that long, I'll just skip that process. Now, power saving management. Here are so many options that I recommend you to read for yourself. For example, auto turn on the battery saver. You can set the battery level 10 to 90% for it to be automatically turned on. So enable this option, and when your phone is, let's say, at 30%, the battery saver will automatically enable. Of course, the auto exit battery saver when the battery is charged to 60%. Shorten auto lock screen time, reduce to 30 seconds when above it. Reduce screen refresh rate to 60 Hz, and also turn on the dark mode. Dark mode makes very much difference in power management, so keep that in mind. If we're going to display and brightness, yes, right here, and we can also activate the dark mode. But I'm looking for screen refresh rate. Yes, click. The best is 60 Hz if you're looking for the battery consumption to be, of course, to minimum. And I'm looking for auto lock. Yes. The auto lock means that if you're not using your phone, if you're not doing anything on it after this amount of time, the phone will disable itself. The phone will power off. So the 30 seconds, 15 seconds is really good. 1 minute is optimum, but 5-10 minutes is definitely too much. As you can see, after 30 seconds, it's just power off. So I'll pick the 1 minute because 30 seconds is too little for me. Then we can go down to about phone. And in here you can see the battery capacity, of course. Then search settings, download English US, switch to another language. Yes, please. Okay. Oh, give me a moment to switch the keyboard. Okay, and type in the update. And here check for updates. No, not car. Check for updates here. Okay, new version found. So click on it and update now. You need just to wait for the update to be completed, but if you don't have newer version and your phone is up to date, then there is nothing for you to check on. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.